Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to factory reset your Beats Solo 4. So let's say for instance, you have issues with your headphones and you'd like to fix that particular issue. Or let's say for instance, if you want to sell these headphones to someone else, you can simply perform a factory reset. Now to perform a factory reset, ensure that the headphones are off. So if they're on, simply press and hold the power button for about 2 seconds to turn them off. And then once they're off, all you have to do is press the power button and the volume down button together until you see a red light flashing. And then keep holding the buttons until the red light disappears, and that will successfully factory reset your headphones. So let's just do it together. So press the power button and the volume down button. So the volume down button is located on the left ear cup. So this is the left ear cup because of the headphone jack. So this is the volume down button. So press the power button and the volume down button together. So press and hold. Keep holding until you see a red light. As you can see, it's flashing. Keep holding. And then once the light disappears, simply release the buttons and your headphones will be successfully factory reset. Now, as you can see, it's in pairing mode. So you can now connect it to any other device that you'd like to use, or you can now be able to give them or to sell them to any other person you'd like to choose. So that's basically it on how to factory reset your Beats Solo 4. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.